Alright guys, I just want to do a really quick video here. More on that skid steer. I believe in my last video I was talking about a 317. Well, for what I can tell you guys, I did buy one, and I should have it roughly at the end of this week. Today is the 19th, or early next week, but it is not a 317. I am not going to tell you what it is until it comes. If you guys want to guess what it is and comment it on the bottom and tell me what you think I bought. I will tell you it is a John Deere. I will tell you it's an 09. Right before they came out with 320D with the letterings at the end. So yeah, that's what I was gonna make a quick video on. It's actually in the shop right now. I'm having new tires put on it and getting it cleaned up, and I think it had a small little oil leak. I don't know if the line had a hole in it or what, but it's really nice shape though. It's got roughly 2,100 hours on it. Bought a new bucket for it. I think a 76-inch bucket. So yeah, what I'm doing is gonna be moving that trailer there, and the snowmobile trailer there, and got some feed to grind this week. Maybe make a video again, I don't know. Be my last grinding video for the year. But that's all I really wanted to tell you. If you want to guess on what I bought, I'll give you a hint. It's not a 317. Stay tuned.